Welcome to Wentworth. This is the Wentworth Valley Falls, I guess. Whew! I'm winded. First hike of the year. Nice to see you guys again. Now I'm gonna get a closer look. Alright, had a chance to catch my breath. Not the steepest hike I've done out here in Wentworth, but first one of the year, you know. So this is the, like I said, the Wentworth Valley Falls. My father and I came here, I think, last year. I'll try to post a link to that if you want to see it. The catch is it was completely dry, and it was really hard to tell where the falls were at all. You couldn't hear anything, and you couldn't see anything until you crossed the train tracks, and then it was evident where it had to have been because of the rock formations and a little tiny trickle of water. Well, that's different today. So I'm gonna try to do a few videos for kind of like an April showers segment on my channel. It's been a month or so since I've had regular videos. I've been pretty busy and it's hard to get out in the wintertime, as you can imagine. But hey, I'm back and I'm hoping to do regular hikes again. So as you saw coming up, there's a pretty good couple sets of falls on the way up. This is the opposite side of the tracks. I'll post a map to that in the description on YouTube. If you ever want to see the links to my maps, you have to be on YouTube, not just viewing from Facebook or somewhere else. And then you go down to the description and you can see all the details about the video, music I used, gear I used, and I post a link to the map. So anyway, let's go check out these falls. They're pretty nice making my way up from the highway. Now from the tracks, it looks like they're still quite nice. A lot of different tiers. Just get you guys switched around. So nothing super massive, but still a pretty quick hike. And if you can get here when there's some water, definitely add this to your list. You're looking at like 10 minutes of medium difficult incline for those of you who you know, aren't in the greatest of shape. I'm not going to climb the whole mountain on this because I have another place I want to see that dries up that I'd love to check out before I have to go do the Easter weekend stuff with the family that we're allowed to see. Alright, this is probably as high as I'm going to climb. I'm going to head over to Hart Lake. A lot of you are probably familiar with the Hart Lake Brook Falls. There's some rumored to be, during the wet season, like a 200-foot waterfall that comes out of the corner of the lake. So I've been waiting forever to check that out. I'm gonna leave you guys with hopefully some nice B-roll of this little staircase worth of waterfalls that's in the Wentworth Valley. And I'll make my way back out to the car and I'll catch up with you after the B-roll. See you then. Here's a little footnote for those of you who are winded on the way up here to check these falls out. I don't know if you can see my bag over there on the distance. That's just above where the water starts flowing under the tracks. You'll naturally be inclined to follow the stream up because I mean you can see the falls are right there. But if you're winded making your way up the tracks like I was, a little quick tip: if you come up here where I am to this yellow sign, I'm not sure what it means. It looks like dog tags or something. Some trained guy will know. If you go about 15 feet past it, it's a lot easier of a walk in and out, and it brings you right kind of to the middle of where the tiers of the falls are. I mean, it's really easy to follow the stream up too. So anyway, just thought I'd add that in there for anybody who follows this video and wants to check it out. Make sure to get in before the water dries up. Now roll the B-roll. All right, I don't think there's much I need to say about that one, guys. That's a massive waterfall. Great way to end the hike. I just want to add simply that it's at the corner of Hart Lake, where the lake drains down into a tributary to another bigger brook down there. I know it dries up in the summer, so check it out soon. I'm not going to bother posting the coordinates. It's pretty straightforward. It's a little bit steep. There's some snow, not a whole lot of ice, but you should watch your step. I was a little winded coming back out. And that's pretty much it. I just want to add to the previous hike to the Wentworth Valley Falls. Don't go in where I did. It's a little easier if you stay to the right of the brook as it ascends the hill. There's kind of like a flat spot to park your car on the side of the road if you're coming from the Folly, DeBert, Truro area, if you're coming from that side. Pull over there, cross the highway, and then you'll see where the brook comes up alongside of the road. At that point, this brook that these waterfalls are on, it joins up with this other brook. Follow to the right of it and up to the tracks. But that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for tagging along. If you like what you see and you want to see some more, then subscribe. I'll see you next time.